Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I haven't made a video in a while. In the past few videos that I have made, they were basically like me on the streets, like walking around, interviewing people, just talking to people, having good conversation about dating and relationships. But, you know, I came back and I was like, you know what, I want to do something different. I want to try something new. So I have here a box of Strawberry Supreme Perfectly Moist Cake. We have some Golden Oreos and our powdered sugar, because we're doing what? We're gonna make fried Oreos. So I wanted to put my own spin on it and do something different, because I was looking and researching different videos, and all I seen basically were just, you know, like the regular, you know, like the original Oreos with the regular pancake mix. And I thought, why not do this and put my own spin on it? You know, I love the color red. It's only my favorite color. And I love pink, and you know, I love strawberries. And I like vanilla too. I like chocolate too. But the chocolate I don't think would have gone as well with the strawberry mix. So let's get right into it. So guys, here we go. This is our strawberry cake mix, and we have that here in the bowl. We're going to go ahead and grab our 3 eggs, dump it on in. Then we are going to take our vegetable oil, which on this one I used Crisco. And we're going to go ahead and pour that in to go ahead and get our batter ready to mix up. So we're going to dump that in, and now we're just going to mix until there is a very smooth consistency. Mix, 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 mix. Whipping it, whipping it, whipping it. So we're just going to get that to a very smooth consistency. Now, I do want to say, guys, that tastes pretty good. I do want to say I forgot to put the water in. Of course, here's our Oreos, which I discovered to put the water in afterwards. Then I just dunked in my Oreos, and here we are, and we're going to throw them into the grease. I only put 1 in because I wanted to see if the grease was hot enough. So here we are. We have about 4 in. And I just want to say this, please make sure your grease is not hot. I'm going to say this again in the video. But of course, this is my first voiceover, so yeah. But anyway, we're going to lay them on the plate. We're going to do our sprinkles, strawberry, and of course I took some cake icing and we drizzled it on top. So then I sliced some strawberries, which, by the way, guys, the strawberries are really a pivotal point. I mean, it really made a difference. And after the strawberries, we're going to take 1 more layer of the cake drizzle. And after that, we're going to throw on some pink sugar, which is like basically some Betty Crocker, what do you call it? Betty Crocker sprinkles, but they call it pink sugar. Anyway, speeding up, we're going to do our powdered sugar, and there we are. Just an amazing thing. Hope you guys try it. Hey guys, I just want to say this as a disclaimer. So when I originally tried to fry the Oreos, I made the terrible mistake of not filling the pot up all the way with oil, and you never want to do that, because deep fried means just that, deep fried. So what ends up happening is that the batter ends up getting burnt, and you never want to do that, because you want your batter to be pink. We're pink. So I just want to say that the strawberries do play a big part. The icing plays a big part. All of it plays a really big part, because it's really good. So once again, thank you for coming to my channel. Leave comments below. Let me see what y'all want to see me cook next. Thank you. And please remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.